My name is Cari, and I am here today to tell you about the product that single-handedly changed my life. I have been taking Kerotin hair vitamins now for about 5 years. Prior to this, my hair was bleached beyond, not even recognition, but like beyond help. It didn't grow past here. Everything was broken off it. I was literally scared to touch it because like it was just falling off. And I tried every single hair vitamin on the market. I tried a million different shampoos. I tried everything in the world. And I genuinely got to a point where I was like, the only way to fix this is to shave off my hair and start over. And that was not something that was in the cards for me. So when I was introduced to Kerotin hair vitamins, I was like, what's the worst that can happen? My hair is already a wreck. Well, this is what can happen. I started with a 6-month supply. And I did that because I always try to give any kind of new supplements or changes to my routine about 3 months to kind of start seeing results. If I don't love it, I got a money back guarantee, boom. So I was expecting like the 3 months, whatever. When I tell you that I saw results in 3 weeks, again, I am not exaggerating. My hair was that bad. It was to the point where I refused to do family photos for at least 2, if not 3 years, because I was so embarrassed. I was ducking out of every single photo with friends. We'd be out and about, and I would take all the photos. I'd be like, I'll be the designated photographer. I wanted nothing to do with photos. I was so embarrassed. It killed my self-esteem more than you will ever understand. So I am forever grateful for these products. I take every single person in my life noticed the difference immediately. Every single one of the people in my life was like, what are you taking? What are you using? So I shared the heck out of these vitamins.